Narrated by Aisha, the mother of the faithful believers. Al-Harith bin Hisham asked Allah's Prophet, "O Allah's Prophet, how is the divine inspiration revealed to you?" Allah's Prophet replied, "Sometimes it is revealed like the ringing of a bell. This form of inspiration is the hardest of all. And then this state passes off after I have grasped what is inspired. Sometimes the angel comes in the form of a man and talks to me, and I grasp whatever he says." Aisha added, "Verily, I saw the Prophet being inspired divinely on a very cold day, and noticed the sweat dropping from his forehead as the inspiration was over." Hadith number 2, Sahih Bukhari.